I hope this Independence Day brings us hope and joy. Let us salute our nation. Happy Independence Day.
MH English School, wishing you a very happy Independence Day. It's very tough time. COVID, flood, war and much more. We have to fight with that and we will win it sure. We have to hand over our better India for the upcoming new generation. Once again, wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you very much.
Happy Independence Day.
The future depends on what you do today. Independence is an honor and a great gift. Thanks to the great sacrifices made by our leaders, the destiny of our great land lies in the hands of our youth. Every citizen of India deserves a prosperous life, and through education, we can help the nation in all its glory. Let's unite and work hard to make our country great. Happy Independence Day.
To our freedom fighters, to our soldiers, to the heroes of the nation, they are the reason we are still alive. And we will never forget their sacrifice. Saluting the entire nation, Happy Independence Day.
Liberate yourself from misery, fear, suffering and illusion and have blissfulness within yourself. That is the real independency. Happy Independence Day to all.
Enjoy the blessings of freedom and independence, but also do your part and work hard to appreciate it. Happy Independence Day.
Freedom is something you have to fight for. Never let go of it and always carry it in your heart. Happy Independence Day.
Hi friends, happy Independence Day. Hi friends, happy Independence Day.
The future of our country depends on you. Your determination, perseverance, and commitment towards your life determines the future of India. Happy Independence Day.
Hi everyone. Happy Independence Day.
Freedom is never dear at any price, it is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Happy Independence Day.
Love India, live in India and make our India pride in the world by being an Indian. Happy Independence Day.
Let us honor every patriot without whom freedom would not have existed. What they did, we can never repay. Happy Independence Day.
ഹുബുൽ വത്വനി മിനൽ ഈമാൻ. ഒരു തലമുറയുടെ ത്യാഗമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം. ഇന്ന് രാജ്യമെങ്ങും ത്രിവർണ പതാക വാനോളം ഉയർത്തുമ്പോൾ വേഷത്തിൻ്റെയും ഭാഷയുടെയും അതിർത്തികളെല്ലാം മറന്ന് ഓരോ ഭാരതീയനും അഭിമാനം കൊള്ളുകയാണ്. ഹാപ്പി ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ.
Independence means enjoying freedom and empowering others to let them do so. Happy Independence Day. I love my country, I love my India. Pay respect to your country, pay respect to your nation. Happy Independence Day.
This is the auspicious occasion of India's 74th independence. Let us commemorate the two heroes for their great sacrifice. I feel proud to be an Indian who is born in the country of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
രാഷ്ട്രചരിത്രത്തിലെ ഒരു താളി രചിക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾ കാരണമായാൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്നും ഓർമ്മിക്കപ്പെടും. ഏവർക്കും സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനാശംസകൾ.
भारत का एक विशेषता है प्यारे बच्चों, अनेकता में एकता हमारे भारत की शान है। आज का स्वतंत्रता दिन के इस दिन में हमारे स्कूल के नाम पर, हमारे अध्यापकों के नाम पर सबको मेरा हार्दिक प्रणाम।
Freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
The future depends on what you do today. Happy Independence Day.
Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in heart, memories in our soul. Let's salute the nation on this 74th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Hi everyone, we all feel proud to be an Indian. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day.